As an investor, you can trade structured warrants on SGX just like you'd trade any other security. All trades are executed through a broker or online trading platform under your current account. And the trade would be settled like a normal share transaction on the third business day after the trade date. The fees for structured warrant transactions are slightly different, however. The trading access fee is 0.001% of the trade value versus 0.0075% for equities. The clearing fee is 0.004% of the trade value versus 0.0325% for equities. There's also the brokerage fee, determined by the broker, and the goods and services tax. Overall, you'll likely pay lower transaction costs to trade warrants when compared to traditional stock trading. That's because the contract value of warrants is lower than that of the underlying asset, which lowers the brokerage and associated transaction charges. Now, there are many warrants listed on SGX which cater to the different views, investment objectives, and risk preferences of investors. And the trading name of a warrant can reveal some very important characteristics. For example, let's look at this warrant. The first grouping refers to the name of the underlying asset. SGX has warrants on single stocks and benchmark indices, so this could refer to either a stock or an index. The next is the name of the issuer. In this case, Macquarie Bank. You can find the full list of approved issuers and their codes at sgx.com. Next is the exercise terms. A for American or E for European. Remember, all warrants on SGX are European style, so you'll always see an E here. Then comes the type of warrant. Call warrant, indicated by the CW, or put warrant, PW. And then the expiry date. The date convention is year first, then month, then day. As with all investment products, you should always do your research before making an investment decision, and consult a professional if you have any doubts. You should also choose a warrant issuer that offers good market-making services. So do your research and select one with the capability to provide competitive bid-ask prices, as that will enhance the market liquidity for the warrants. And finally, once you make a trade, you should monitor your positions closely, as warrant prices fluctuate in greater percentages than normal shares. You should also set a cut-loss point before you enter, so you know when to get out. In our next video, we'll learn more about the role of market makers and see just how they earn money.